So hey guys, I want to share my trading uh, status. So let's go over my today's trades. We saw some dump today. I'll show you what I expected from the market today. I'm gonna switch to 15-minute chart. So there is the market open. As you can see, since market open, we are just dumping down, and I kind of expected that because, as you can see, we are in a bearish state of just this whole S&P is just bearish. I'm gonna see, okay. So we opened here. I waited for some reaction of the footprint and it gave us some buyer's absorption, and I knew that we will sweep these overnight, well, not overnight lows, but over weekend lows. And this is the point where we want to get in the market. So pretty much we opened around at this level. So I was seeing the delta, and as we got this divergence, this bearish divergence, we were looking for shorts, and since then we got just a negative delta. I think I was the most active on this account. If I'm gonna see the trades, oh, I'm not gonna see them because I'm on MES. Sorry, I'm gonna make a real quick switch. The ES, I just traded the ES just for the sake that I didn't want to lose my profit, so I had some small trades there. So there it is. I'm gonna walk over the trades I took. First account, this is the first account shorted here right at the open, as we got a really strong, not divergence, but rejection of this level. I saw some buyers getting absorbed, and then we just continued. I thought this candle will close red, but it closed blue, so buyers were getting absorbed, sellers were getting absorbed at these levels, and the price just wasn't that quick as I wanted, so I exited here pretty soon. But originally I had my take profit at the over weekend lows, which were, I think, around here. Yes, below this POC, it's just the sweep, but didn't keep it because I had only one contract and I have trailing thresholds, so I didn't want to take me out of the market. The second account, just small short here, as I saw that we finally broke this small absorption that was made here, and we got in with a strong delta. And once again, this strong delta, this was, I think, over 1,000 when I entered. Closed here. Don't ask me why, because I cannot tell you. On this chart, it's pretty unimaginable. Yeah, I know, because of this over weekend or this overnight low, I closed it here. I did, but I should have just stayed in market because the delta wasn't flipping just yet. And the third account, I just made some pretty small trades. What I wanted you to see is that I took this breakout because based of delta and because we wanted to sweep these lows, also as these Friday lows. So I knew that will be point of interest for me, but I wanted to take some longs from here. But as we seen, we didn't get the reaction I wanted. Original, this was the reaction I was seeking for, but just no continuation. And sellers just took over the place once again, and we weren't getting any confluences to go long. So basically, I just kept shorting, and I'm done for today. These are my profits. You can see that I brought both my accounts on the starting balance pretty much, so I'm happy with that. And let's see you tomorrow. I'll also share with you my today's notes. You can see that I have my uh, rules that I every time before I go trading, I just write it. I understand them. I will be following them because one day I had pretty big losing day on this 50K account, and I blew around $700 in one day, and now it took me 3 days to get it back to the original balance. So I need to take it slow, and have my uh, have my daily loss around $300, so I don't lose more in one day, because everyone can be wrong. Then I wrote some levels that I'm looking for. This is the scenario I took trade off, this opening breakup to grab the overnight low, which was at 4480. Then I waited for the reaction, didn't get any sort of strong reaction, so I didn't take trade of this. Liquidity at 4476 was around here. No reaction. It was this liquidity. So didn't get that, and now we'll observe the direction of this fair value gap that was formed really long time ago. I'll show you what I mean. I mean this fair value gap that was formed here above these highs, because the break was just too strong, and it was July 12th. So we'll see the reaction of it, and I think from this area we could flip bullish. So I'm gonna keep observing it, but I won't trade today. No more trades for me, because I would just overtrade and lose all my profits. I'm happy with today. Not didn't overtrade, didn't do any stupid mistakes. Just didn't get the quite a great reaction I was waiting for, and I had to keep shorting. So yeah, this was the setup I wanted to take, but I think I just took some partials on it, and yeah, this was the opening breakout I might show you. You can see that we have strong delta on the open, so I entered right off that because I knew we will be getting here. You can see original my take profit was down here at the overnight low, but I think I closed somewhere around 4504, which was pretty immature, but you're gonna make these mistakes. I don't think it was actually a mistake. I think just the issue that I cannot trade more than two contracts, because if I trade two contracts, I would just take one of them off and set the second one on break even, as TGR does it. But I just didn't feel like risking two contracts because I would be risking more than $200. So I might just trade some mini ES contracts, but sorry, micros, but minis not, because we can see this support being held, but I don't think we'll hold it for too long, and we'll try to grab this fair value again. So basically that's it for today, and thank you for your attention.